Welcome to Raaonline. I am Dr. Punita Rani. Today class is about anatomy of pancreas. Location of the pancreas. Pancreas in Greek, it is pan means it is all and kreas is flesh. This is a retroperitoneal organ and it extends to the left slightly upwards across the posterior abdominal wall from the concavity of the duodenum to the hilum of the spleen. So this is the pancreas. The pancreas lies behind the stomach and is separated by the lesser sac. What is the shape of the pancreas? It is a J-shaped or retard shape and measurement is length is about 12 to 15 centimeter and width is 3 to 4 centimeter and thickness is about 1.5 to 2 centimeter and weight of the pancreas is about 80 to 90 grams. What are the parts of the pancreas? The pancreas has a head, the neck, the body and a tail. The head of the pancreas, it sits within along with the uncinate process. This is an uncinate process and this is the head of the pancreas. The head is within the curvature of the duodenum. And if you see the neck is a very narrow space or it's a very short space which lies in front of the formation of the portal vein. And body, this is a body which extends from the neck to that of the tail and it extends from in front of the aorta and to the front of the left kidney, and tail it reaches the hilum of the spleen. Look at this picture. So this is the head of the pancreas which sits within the curvature of the duodenum, and this is the neck of the pancreas, this is the body and this is the tail of the pancreas. This is a pancreas with the duct. This is a pancreatic duct. Now we'll see each and every parts of the pancreas. The head of the pancreas, it is an enlarged right extremity and within the curvature of the duodenum opposite to the L1 and L2. So what is the location of the head of the pancreas? It is enlarged and it is present in the right extremity within the curvature of the duodenum opposite to L1 and L2, and the head of the pancreas has a process which is known as the uncinate process. This head of the pancreas has two surfaces. One is the anterior surface, another is the posterior surface, and it has three borders and one process. That process is known as the uncinate process. So now we'll look at the borders of the head of the pancreas. We have the superior border which is related to the first part of the duodenum and the superior pancreatico-duodenal artery. So this is the superior border. If you see the superior border, it's related to the duodenum. This is the first part of the duodenum and this is the superior pancreatico-duodenal artery. And if you see the inferior border, it is related to the third part of the duodenum and this is the inferior pancreatico-duodenal artery. And the right border, that is the right lateral border, it is related to the second part of the duodenum, the terminal part of the bile duct and anastomosis between the superior pancreatico-duodenal artery and the inferior pancreatico-duodenal artery. So the head of the pancreas has three borders: superior border, inferior border and the right lateral border. Now we'll see what are the structures that is related to the anterior surface and the posterior surface of the head of the pancreas. Anterior surface. If you see, the anterior surface is completely covered by the peritoneum, and this surface is the structures related are the transverse colon. This is a transverse colon and this is a transverse mesocolon. You can see the coils of jejunum and the superior mesenteric vessels, includes both the artery and the vein. This is an artery and this is the vein. If you see on the posterior surface of the head of the pancreas, it is related to the inferior vena cava and the bile duct. So this is the posterior relation of the head of the pancreas.